This tutorial is going to be on how to whiten teeth. First of all, you select your selection tool. For me, I'll go for the lasso tool. You can choose any tool that you want to select the teeth. Then I'll select the teeth. It doesn't mean you have to select the teeth exactly as it is. For most beginners, let me go back and try. They'll try to select exactly as the teeth is. No, you're stressing yourself. You're making things quite difficult for you. Let's do it more quicker way. So you select the teeth like this. Okay. Then you go to adjustment, hue saturation. You realize that there is a layer mask added to the hue saturation, and you already know how layer mask works. Black means it's empty, like it's erased, and white means it's there. So looking at it, it means teeth is the only thing showing over here. So when you crank up the slider over here, it will only affect the white, which means it shows. Let's move on. You click this button over here and you select the teeth, any part that you want. I want more dense area, which are more yellow here, or maybe here. You realize at first this was different. The moment you select this and click on here, it will change to yellow. Then you crank down the saturation. You realize the teeth is whitening. Yes. Usually you don't go down to 0 because it will look fake. No teeth look like white and dark gray like this. No white, no teeth look like this. For me, I'll go 80 thereabout. Yes, it looks quite natural, or you can go more like 70 for it to look more natural. If I turn the eye button on and off, you realize the changes. Yeah, voila, that's it.